Yo, so what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And on this video, I basically want to go over a few steps on how I started making my first 10K, aka $10,000 in sales per month selling on Amazon. Now, before we get started on that, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment down below, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And without further ado, let's get started. So, as I was coming up in my Amazon journey, I was, flipping stuff here and there, drop shipping one-off products, selling clearance products from Walmart and whatnot, Target, flipping those products, and I made my few sales and whatnot, made $1,000, made 2,000, 3,000, and so on and so forth. But I was still stuck in that less than 10K range. Sorry, when it was basically when I was making my sales and whatnot. Now, throughout like during the pandemic, I had a mentor, Nathan Jackson, who dropped the replens course. And so I took that course. Now, I'm not saying you have to take this course to, basically hit that 10K. Some of you probably already did it without it. I mean, I highly suggest it. But, I took that course. He went more deeper on what a replen was, how he found those replens, and just a bunch of other stuff. And so, after that course, basically my sales took off, and I started making my first 10K, 11K, 12K, so on and so forth, until I made like 20K, 30, 40K in Q4 of last year. So and that really changed the game for me. It showed me what a replen was, it showed me how to flip them, showed me how to find them, and so on and so forth. And if you don't know what a replen is, a replen, aka a replenishable product, is a product that you can buy at full price, either from a wholesaler or a retail even, and continue to sell that product for a particular profit. Okay, so maybe you spend $10 on this product and you're making $3. That's a 30% ROI. Now, and the best thing is that with the replen, you can constantly sell these products back to back. More or less how much profit you're gonna make from your replens, and so therefore you're able to replenish them, and a certain amount that you could send every month. So maybe you could sell 20 of the certain product, and maybe you're making $5. Well, that's $100 off one product that you can sell every single month just off one replen. And the goal with replens is that you need to find 10 of them to make $1,000. Then you do 20, 2,000. Then you do 30, 3,000, 100, 10K profit of just replens. Now, of course, it takes time to source these replens. It takes, time and money to really build them up. But once you can find these steady replens, you will scale your business with stability even, instead of having to just go back and forth with clearance stuff or discounted stuff. Now, I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with looking for those type of products, but if you really want stability and scalability, this is the step that you need to make into your Amazon business. So now on the screen here, I have 3 different products that I decided to pull up real quick because I wanted to show you 3 examples of replens that I've sold in the past before. Now, look, these replens you can go ahead and buy right now if you want. If you're watching this, you can test them out. So without further ado, let me get right into it real quick. So as you can see right here, we have this hardened hand with magnolia salt and pepper stoneware 2020 new version product. And here's how you identify a replen better yet. So if you watch my Keepa video, you should know how to re-Keepa a bit. If not, go check it out. It's the video previously before this one. But looking at Keepa down here, a few things you want to notice if it's a replen or not. First, sales rank. You want to see constant movement like this one, up and down. It's steadily moving, has volume. We'll go to the month, it has volume. 3 months, some decent volume as well. The year, so it has volume for sure. So that right there already tells you that it's selling, okay, just because of the sales rank. Now, another thing you want to look at, which is the most important part of looking for replens, it's the price, the price history of this product. So if we go into a month, currently it's around $26.19 around there that it's selling for. Let's see, a week ago it was $26.13, then dropped. No, so it's been steady or so for the past few weeks. And looking at this for the past month, it's always sold around $26 or so. Now let's look at 3 months. 26, 26, 25. So it dropped like $1 during this time. 27, so it was a bit higher. 27, 28, 26. So that's pretty good. We go through the whole year. 29, 28, 30. So it looks like it was actually higher back then, but very low sellers. So it looked like it was even close to $50 at one point. But even before that, 29, 24. So looking at this chart, this is a replen because the price is consistent. Okay, now yes, it'll change. It'll vary from time to time. 1 minute is 26. Back then it was like 28, 29. But that's what you want to see in replens, is price consistency like this one. Now obviously, the price changes because the amount of sellers as well. As you can see, it was higher right here because there was very few sellers. But the minute more sellers started climbing, they dropped the price a bit. But the price isn't tanking too bad either. Even now, the price still sells like, this product still sells like $26 or so. So if it's still profitable at $26, then you can buy this. Now right out the gate, I know this is a product you can buy from Target right now. So let's look for it real quick. So right there, $5.99. So remember, this is a 2-pack. Both of them, combined is like $12. So we just round it out. So we put $12 right here. You're making $4.08 off this product. Now, there's various software you can use to determine the monthly sales. People use SaleRamp, other people use Jungle Scout. I have Jungle Scout currently. So 90 sales a month is what this is estimating it to be. So we go 90 times 408. You're making at least $367.20 off this one product. Now keep in mind, you are sharing the buy box with a ton of other sellers. So you may be sharing it with like 30 other sellers possibly. So you won't get all of those 90 sales to yourself. But even if you get, I don't know, let's say 10 of them, 10 times 408. Now you're making $40 at least. So $40 is not too bad, I mean, you only need to send 10 of these a month. They'll sell out and you make a quick $40. But that this is what you're gonna make regardless on this product. So it takes a thinking process out of having to look for another product that's a one-off and then looking. Now you have one solid guaranteed product that is moving. For one, this product is selling. The sales charts prove that, and the price is consistent for the most part. So, and keep in mind, 26 is probably on the low end. So if a lot of these sellers can hop off, it'll end up probably rising back to like 28 maybe, and you're making even more profit of this. So now you're making at least $50 a month just off this one product. And so again, that's what a replen is. You're able to replenish this product and make a certain amount of profit every single month, knowing how much it costs. Now let's pull up another one. These FT steel bags. Walmart needs to sell these. I guess they're probably being discontinued. But this was a solid replen of mine that was so solid. So again, like I said, Walmart's probably discontinuing this, which is why the charts look bad right now. No sellers no sellers have this product anymore. But if you look at the thing, look at the chart. I'll go back to 3 months. You can see that the price was $14.99, $17, $16. And that's because the product was being discontinued. So I'll go more back. $14.25, $14, $14, $13, to $14. If we look back a year, $14, $13. And look at the sales rank. The sales rank has very, very good volume, steady sales rank. And even the pricing, 13, 12 something, 14, jumped up a bit, and 14. So right off the bat, you can see the price for this is mostly around the $14 range. Now it's cheaper back here because this product was cheaper before inflation. Right now, before Walmart discontinued it, this product, it actually cost a bit more. I forgot how much it cost exactly, like $270, I think. It's a 2-pack, so it's like $540. But going based off that, let's say we go to $15 and we do $540. Or better yet, let's go based off what's an average range? Let's see, we'll do $14. It was more around $14. So you're making $1.70 off of this. Now it may not seem like much, but but it's just a quick polybag. Again, monthly sales around 188. 188 times, sorry, what is it, 170? $319. Now again, you're sharing the buy box with other sellers. So let's say you do even just 10 times 170, $17. Now the times I've sold it, it's actually sold, like, this is a fast volume product. It's like I've sold probably hundreds at a time, and they've all sold within a month or so. So this product has volume. I've tested it myself. Again, like software like Jungle Scale, selling around, those are just estimates of how much it sells, but you really won't know until you fully test it. And this is one of those products. But 100 times 170. I was making over $100 profit on this one product alone. Again, another replen. So if you add that and this, we're making basically almost, let's see, 10 out of this one, $150 right there, just a pure profit out of these two replens. And so again, I have another one right here. Look at that. Sales rank is pretty decent, not too bad. But look at the buy box price. Look at the, just the pricing in general. 20, 19, 18, 19, 21, 20. That was on the 3-month chart. It was a bit down, but that's because the amount of sellers was high at this point too. But when they hopped off, the price was steady. And again, that's what you want to see in your products when you're looking for replens, is steady pricing, consistency. And the sellers, they'll vary from time to time. One minute there'll be a lot of sellers, another minute there won't be as many sellers. So the price will fluctuate like that. But for the most part, this product was selling consistently at a certain price. And so that's how you identify a replen. Is price consistency, good sorry about that, I did not mean for that to pop up. Good sales history, good pricing, good volume. That's what you want to see in a replen. And so if you were selling this, boom, you just added another replen to your catalog of replens. I think in total this probably costed like, I don't even remember honestly, probably like $10. So close to $3 profit. Jungle Scout is estimating 50 sales, but the rank is so low. I guarantee it's selling way more than 50 times a month. I haven't restocked this in a minute, so I couldn't tell you how many would sell, but based on the amount of sellers that are dropping and it's summer, this product is selling the minute you list it. So, but yeah, and you do this 100 times, 10 times, 20 times, 50 times, 100 times. That's how you build your catalog. That's how you grow your business. That's how you scale. And that's how you start making more profit with stability. Okay, it's by finding these type of replens, adding them to your inventory, and just letting your business grow. And that's exactly how I started scaling to 10K months. Now, and basically from there on, you just do the same thing over and over until you hit your 20K months, 30K months, 40K months. Once you start getting past the 20, 30K months, then it's different stuff you have to do to scale. But for the most part, this is how you get to those, goals of 20, 30K months. And this is exactly how you'll make your first 10K month, actually, even too. So, but yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Let me know, if you found this valuable. If you have any questions concerning how I did any of this, drop them down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. I hope this video brought you tons of value. And like that, I'm out. So, peace.